Artie's skeleton reveals a strange, new creature, one that walked on 2 feet, and what odd feet they were.
But one of the interesting things that we have to deal with,
Sure.
and the most difficult, is the foot.
Okay.
This thing has a kind of free, great toe.
The process of recreating Artie's movements begins at a company in Southern California called LifeModeler.
An organization like LifeMOD has spent years building up extremely sophisticated programs that can simulate human motion. So we're lucky because the creature that we're looking at has many elements in common with modern humans. One of the problems that we've got is how to recreate in a way that will fit the model.
Sure.
Replicating human motion with computers is LifeModeler's specialty. These models simulate the dynamics of muscles, bones, and joints. This one is being used to help a prosthetics company design a knee replacement. LifeModeler also works with athletes to help improve their performance.
We can look at very complicated motion like a sport such as tennis and recreate that with a biomechanics simulation model and retrieve a lot of information from that.
So what would happen if this same technology was applied to Artie's very unusual feet? Lovejoy wants to work with LifeModeler to see if they can simulate how Ardipithecus might have walked.
We can take those data that we've derived from the skeleton and from Jay and from Gen and put them all together and give them to LifeModeler. We know what elements are shared and what elements are not shared between Ardipithecus and modern humans. So they can take their programming, de-evolve it into a previously existing form, and tell us how this creature moved.
But this 4.4 million year old foot is not like anything LifeModeler has ever seen. With guidance from Lovejoy, Shawn's team will need to modify their human model to match Artie's unique anatomy.
We can test things like grasping function, which you're seeing right now. And so what we have here is a mixed function. We have a foot that has to be grasping in the arboreal environment in trees, but then revert to toeing off in walking. The second metatarsal is essentially the center axis of the foot, and it's the major propelling element of the foot in this animal. It's not in humans, and it's not in chimpanzees. This is a totally unique animal.
Here we're shedding light onto something that is just fascinating, and we can look at it not only from just a static picture perspective, but a real movement and a physics-based movement.